Behold, he is coming with the clouds, and every eye will see him, even those who pierced him. The sky will unscroll like a manuscript, oh, the greatest damn story that's ever been told. The moon will turn crimson, the sun will go black, from a truth that there is no more taking it back. The nations will tremble, the armies will weep, from the promises that the Almighty will keep. The kings of the earth and their gold will all fail in the face of a holy and furious gale. This isn't a fable, a myth, or a dream. It's the final correction of a broken regime. Maranatha, come Lord, dies irate. Dies irate. He's not coming back as a baby so meek, but a king on a war horse with fire in his speech, with a sword in his mouth and a crown on his head, to deliver his judgment to the living and dead. The tattoos of royalty written on his thigh, beneath the great gaze of his furious side. The time for redemption will be over and done, for the race that was lost and the race that was won. It will be awesome and terrible, perfect and true, the end of the old